Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to unblock someone on Snapchat and how to do this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is, if you unblock someone, you have to tap over here at the top on your profile icon over there. Now from here you just have to tap on settings over there. Now you just have to scroll down a little bit and you have to keep on scrolling between. As you can see, there is an option called block, so you just have to select this up. And as you can see that this is the friend of mine which I blocked it for the video purpose. You just have to tap on the cross icon over there, and there is asking questions like you want to unblock this person on the Snapchat, so you just have to go for yes. And once it is done, as you can see that the respective person has been completely unblocked and it has been shown, we have gained a message over there. So this is about how you can unblock any contacts on your Snapchat, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications, and see you soon in the next video. Peace out.